If you need a web page to refresh automatically in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is very useful for monitoring live scores, tracking stock prices, watching ticket availability, checking website updates, following online auctions, or keeping an eye on dashboards that update frequently. By default, Chrome does not include a built-in auto refresh button, but there are very simple ways to make a web page reload automatically at regular intervals. The good news is that you can set this up in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to auto-refresh a page in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, go to the web page that you want Chrome to reload on a schedule. This can be any website that you want Chrome to reload on a schedule. Since Chrome does not include a built-in auto refresh feature, the easiest method is using a browser extension. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, move your cursor to Extensions, and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type Auto Refresh or Auto Reload. You will see several extensions designed specifically for automatically refreshing web pages. Choose a trusted extension with good ratings and a large number of users. Open the extension page and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may ask for permission before installation. Click Add Extension to continue. After a few moments, the extension will be installed. A small settings window will appear. Here, you can choose how often the page should reload. For example, you can set the page to refresh every 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, or any custom interval supported by the extension. After selecting the refresh interval, click the Start or Enable button. The extension will begin refreshing the web page automatically according to your chosen schedule. You do not need to press the refresh button manually anymore. Many auto-refresh extensions also include additional features. Some can refresh multiple tabs at the same time, stop refreshing after a specific number of reloads, remember settings for individual websites, or refresh pages only when certain conditions are met. Another useful tip is avoiding extremely short refresh intervals on websites that do not require constant updates. Refreshing every second can consume extra system resources and may place unnecessary load on the website. For most purposes, intervals of 30 seconds to several minutes work perfectly. You should also make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. Browser updates improve extension compatibility and overall stability. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. If an auto refresh extension does not work properly, try disabling conflicting extensions such as ad blockers, script managers, or page modification tools. Some extensions can interfere with automatic page reloading. So that's the easiest way to auto-refresh a page in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are installing a trusted auto-refresh extension, selecting a refresh interval, enabling automatic reloading, and adjusting the settings according to your needs. Most users can set up automatic page refreshing within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.